To find their home. It's wild to think that Haiti was even close to qualifying to the World Cup. The political turmoil happening in the country that hasn't allowed this national team to play at home for the last 5 years, trying to find their home away from home, be competitive, reach out to the diaspora of players that have left the country forcibly. The gangs have taken control of the streets. The president was assassinated. And then all of the natural disasters, all of these trials and tribulations that the people of Haiti have had to get over, and yet their team still qualifies for the World Cup. I mean, speak about resilience and the possibility that they get a game in Miami. I hope they do, because we'll see the full Haitian carnival on display.
Think about what these Haiti players are going to be like going into a World Cup. We talk about pressure. Look at the real life experiences of what they're going through, and what their family members have had to go through, what they've had to deal to go through. And then now at their World Cup, that's not going to be pressure for them. That is going to be nothing to lose. And that's why I always say sometimes you can't really think or give no opportunity or chance for these smaller nations, because you don't know the journey of what these players have been through.
It's wild to think that Haiti was even close to qualifying to the World Cup.